third question was a source S wants to send 100 bits to a destination D. So it wants to send 100 bits, and I said it uses an FEC scheme which adds 200 bits of redundancy. So my first question was, what is the rate of the, so this is 3A. So the first question was, what is the rate of this FEC scheme? So the definition of rate of an FEC scheme was length of information bits, or I should say bit string, or maybe, and over length of transmitted bit string. So I know my information bit string is 100 bits. That is, the length of the information bit string is 100 bits. Now, what is the length of the transmitted bit string? So I said my FEC scheme adds 200 bits of redundancy. So the keyword is adds. So you take the 100 bits and you add 200 bits and then you send it, like I explained in class. So 100 plus 200. So this is 1 over 3. That's that. So some people made the mistake of saying that the rate is 100 over 200. So they just misunderstood the question, in the sense they thought that 100 bits are transformed to 200 bits. But in that case, the redundancy added is just 100 bits. So then the rate would be half. But in this case, you add 200 bits of redundancy, so the rate is 1/3. So that's 3A. So the next question was so if S uses an FEC scheme of rate 1/5, what is the amount of redundancy? So again we use the same formula. So you have rate equals to 1/5 equals the length of the information bit string 100 plus the over 100 plus the redundancy. Let's call it some n. So if you solve that equation, then you get n is 400 bits. So it's clear, right? So the third question was, if the data rate is 10 bits per second between S and D, how much time does it take to send what is the time duration of transmission in the above two cases? So in the first case, in the subpart A, the length of the transmitted bit string was 300 bits, and in subpart B, the length of the transmitted bit string was 500 bits, because in this case the rate was 1/3 and your information bit string was of length 100 bits. and in this case the rate was 1/5. So if it takes 1 second to send 10 bits, to send 300 bits it will take 30 seconds. And if it takes, similarly, if to send 500 bits it will take 50 seconds. So those are the answers for 3C.